How to make a personal portfolio using Canva. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a portfolio using Canva. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you need to determine is that if you want to create a multi-page portfolio or if you want to create a single page portfolio, because it's going to be pretty different in both of those situations. If you want to create a single page portfolio, you can click on the poster over here and then start with that. Or if you want to create a multi-page portfolio, you can click on portfolio presentation. Now, if you haven't logged on to your Canva account already, all you have to do is enter your email and you're going to be ready to go with Canva. Now, over here, you're just going to search for portfolio and you can just click on return and then you can choose any of the templates that are available. So if you're a absolute beginner, then using one of these templates can really be helpful for you. So if you want to create a single page portfolio, as I said, go with this kind of A4 style, or if you want to create a multi-page portfolio, go with one of these portfolio presentations. Now, to get started with a portfolio presentation, let's say I want a portfolio presentation. So I'm just going to search for portfolio presentation so I can view the different presentation templates. Now, you can see that there are quite a few templates that I can choose from. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at all of these and I'm going to go with this one. I think this looks nice and elegant. So you can see this is like a pretty little template and you can see on your left you're going to have different presentation templates available. So you can just click on any other template and apply all 10 pages and then you have 10 pages worth of templates available to you and you can begin editing. Now, starting off on your first page, we're going to scroll onto our first page. Now, your first page needs to have an image of you and then your name. So let's say my name is Jane Doe. And then you're going to enter your designation or your education, whatever you are looking for. Let's say I'm going to add model slash actress. And then you're going to add an image. Now to add images, what I recommend is that you go into your element section over here and you search for grid or you search for maybe like a square box. And once you search for grid, just take a grid that you like a simple like column. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to resize this. So the reason that I actually use this is to better have a better crop on the image design. So now when I enter an image, it will automatically be fitted into this little box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the photo section. So I just search for model in the photo section and I'm going to use one of these photos. Obviously, you're going to upload your own photo in your portfolio. And what you're going to do is I'm going to place it right at the center. And now you can add like detail over here as well. I'm going to skip that. Now over here on your second page, you can add some more photos of yourself. So I'm going to drag and drop these photos. Obviously, you're going to upload your own. Now after that, you're going to add your text. So Vogue shoots, and then you can add XYZ. So this is a sample text. But you're going to actually add your work experience. You want to add the latest work experience on the second page, and then so on and so forth. You're going to keep on adding your work experience. I'm going to delete a couple of those pages because I don't want that extensive of a portfolio. Now, after that, you can see this is like in the presentation section, you're going to have different layouts available, and you can pick out what you want and play with stuff that is accurate to you. So you can see teamwork and then you can enter instead qualities. You can say I have worked in this field for over 10 years and I've developed some qualities like dot dot dot, and then you can enter your qualities over here. So it could be instead of adding images, you can delete this entire section and then you can place this at the top over here, and then you can enter your qualities like team player, following instructions. And this just depends on your actual work habitat, whatever you're actually working in, whatever field you are working in, you're going to add accordingly. So I'm just going to resize the text and now I'm going to add more qualities. Let's say a malleable, flexible schedule. And you can add more qualities accordingly. So I'm going to add this over here and I'm going to delete this over here. And you can just simplify your template like this as well. You can add some accents by going into the element section and then you can just search for the lines in your element section, and you can see there are quite a few different types of lines, and you can click on graphics over here and you have all these squiggly lines, and you can take one of these lines over here, rotate it at 90 degrees, and then you can just place it over here just so it looks a bit more fashionable. So your portfolio should not look boring, especially if you're working in a creative field, then you definitely need something that will catch the eye of other people. So you want to make sure that your portfolio is interesting. Now, on your next page, you can add how I started or habits, my hobbies and habits, and then you can add your habits and hobbies over here. You can just delete all the excess text, and then you can just resize this text box over here, place it like so, and then you can add your own habits and hobbies. Delete this, delete images if you want, or you can place your own image of you doing your hobby or activity, whatever you like to do. So you can go into your photos, and I'm just going to take this image instead. I'm going to place it over, or this is a bit boring. So let's say I'm going to search for skating, and obviously you're going to add your own images. I cannot tell you guys this enough, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just taking these sample images just to show you guys on how you're going to form the layout. Now, after that, you can add my website. So if you have a website, you can link it over here. That's like your website link. You can place it over here. If you don't have a website, you can delete this page altogether, and then you can just have your contact page. You're going to add your social media. So once you click on this, I'm going to place the social media on top because for models, I suppose that social media is more important. So I'm just going to place this on top, and then I'm going to go into my elements section. I'm going to search for Instagram, and I'm just going to take the Instagram logo or this one, whatever is the most recent one. That one just looks better. Then I'm going to enter the YouTube logo. Then I'm also going to search for Facebook, and I'm going to place all of those logos, and then I'm going to link all of my social media accounts. So I'm just going to resize these to fit a certain level like this. Then I'm going to enter Facebook. I'm going to resize these 59 by 59, so I'm going to make this 50. This looks good. So I'm just going to place all of these like so. And then you can obviously add your social media handles over here. You can add your email address and phone number as well. Those are two very essential things as well. So you're just going to copy this text, drag it down below over here. And now I'm just going to write contact, or I'm going to add phone number, and then you can enter your phone number, whatever it might be, and then you're going to add email, and then it could be xyz@gmail.com. So you're just going to enter that, and that is like the ending of your contact form. So your portfolio needs to convey the basic messages of who you are, what your profession is, what is your previous work experience, and any kind of links that you have, you can put them over here. After that, you're going to enter your qualities. So, as a person that has worked in the field, what are your qualities? You're going to add that. You're going to add any of your hobbies and habits, any important information for your employer, and then you're just going to add your contact form where they can contact you to further communicate with you. So, that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to create your own portfolio using Canva for free. And I will catch you guys in the next video.